Hi, my name is Emma Pennington, and my presentation is on how and why Pakistan's first elected Prime Minister, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, got hung. So, who is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto? He was born January 5, 1928, into a rich family. His father was a prominent political figure. He studied in Bombay and then at the University of California, Berkeley. After that, he studied law at the University of Oxford. He practiced law in England and then opened a law practice in Karachi. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. He was a beloved leader and helped improve Pakistan and the morale of the people. He also was a powerful speaker and always voiced his opinion. I have a video of him speaking at a conference that I will share.
Impose any decision. Have a treaty worse than the Treaty of Versailles. Legalize aggression. Legalize occupation. Legalize everything that has been illegal till 14th or 15th of December 1971. I will not be a party to it. My country hearkens for me. Why should I waste my time here in the Security Council?
As you can see here, he seemed like a pretty no-nonsense guy. Bhutto first started as a lawyer, but quickly moved up politically. In 1957, he was appointed a member of Pakistan's delegation to the United Nations. When Muhammad Ayub Khan took over the government, Bhutto became Commerce Minister in 1958. He also served in other positions. He served as Foreign Minister from 1963 to 1966. He worked for greater independence and closer ties to China. After the war in 1965 with India over Kashmir, he left his job at the government, and in 1967 he founded the Pakistan People's Party. In the elections of 1970, the PPP won in West Pakistan, but lost overall in East Pakistan. The Awami League, a party in East Pakistan, won, but wanted independence from West Pakistan. Bhutto refused to recognize this party, which led to rioting and then to civil war. With the help of India, East Pakistan gained independence and became Bangladesh. The previous leader of Pakistan, Yahya Khan, gave power to Bhutto in 1971. Bhutto created a new constitution and became the first prime minister. He also held the positions for foreign affairs, defenses, and interior. His government used martial law. In 1977, Bhutto felt that he was losing popularity, so he held another election. He won, but was accused of fraud. He was arrested and sent to prison. On March 18, 1978, he was sentenced to death on the charge that he ordered the assassination of an opponent. He was hung on April 4, 1979. And these are the sources I used for my information and the sources I got my pictures. Thank you guys so much for listening, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed.